I replaced my 30-year-old gas heater to save money, but my electric bill just tripled. I saved 30% on gas, but my electricity jumped from 3,000 to 9,000 kilowatt hours. Why did I miss the efficiency mark that much? Let's look at the data. In November 2024, I switched to a hybrid setup, a gas condensing boiler plus a warm water heat pump. On paper, it's a dream. But while the gas savings are there, my electricity consumption spiked by 6,000 kilowatt-hour. According to most estimates, that increase should only be about 2,000 kilowatt-hours. Here's the hidden reason why my system is currently bleeding energy. The problem isn't the heat pump itself, it's the immersion heater. The efficient way. A heat pump turns 1 kilowatt hours of electricity into 3 kilowatt hour of heat. The expensive way. The immersion heater, the backup, is a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 kilowatt hour in and 1 kilowatt hour out. Because a heat pump takes hours to heat water compared to the 30 minutes my old gas system took, the system is over relying on that backup heater when we have guests or heavy usage. Plus, I discovered that my circulation pump is constantly running, cooling down my tank and forcing the heater to kick back on. It's not all bad news. I dropped my house temperature from a wasteful 25 degrees Celsius to a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius using smart thermostat. Even with this electric spike, the gas savings do cover the extra power costs. But covering costs isn't the goal. Efficiency is. My next steps? I'm recoding the circulation pump and increasing my solar intake for the mornings and evenings. If you are thinking of switching, don't just look at the boiler. Look at your pipes and your pump set. Subscribe to see the results after my next round of optimization. Until next time, bye!